We've been making Clean My Space videos for almost 10 years now, and we have almost 600 videos. Many of you have come to trust us as the source for cleaning information on the internet, and I really appreciate that, but I also know it can be hard to parse through 600 videos to find a cleaning tip or trick. So in this video, we pulled 20 of our favorites and we put them together in a fun compilation cleaning hack extravaganza just for you. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to the Clean My Space channel. Make sure you've got that notification bell on and give this video a thumbs up if you like these compilation style videos. So those of you who don't have time to watch all 600 Clean My Space videos, you'll let us do the picking of the best for you. If you don't like the thought of paying $10 for a pair of laundry balls, why not try this affordable alternative? Simply ball up some aluminum foil, make yourself a pair of balls, and throw those balls into your dryer. There you go, DIY dryer balls. If you've ever had to clean permanent marker off a whiteboard, you know what I mean when I say that is one sweaty cleaning job. Well, you can make the job substantially easier by using this simple hack. Just take a dry erase marker and draw over the area with the permanent marker. Now, it might take a few tries, but you'll see the permanent marker magically disappears. I knew that Molly would make it into this video, of course. And another thing that Molly makes is quite a mess all over our carpets and upholstered furniture. So an easy hack to get rid of all of this extra pet hair without vacuuming is to grab a window squeegee and simply scrape up all the pet hair and fur that's been trapped in your carpets and furniture. If you struggle with pruning clothes from your closet, here's the fix. Empty your closet and replace all of the hangers facing backwards. Then, as you wear your clothes and return them to the closet, hang them properly, hanger forward. Over time, you'll see which clothes you just don't wear anymore, and those are the ones you can prune. Leftover fats, oils, and grease, called fog, can cause serious blockages in your plumbing. So to safely dispose of the fog in your life, just use a zipper lock bag to dump those oils in before disposing of them in the garbage. Then grab a paper towel and wipe up any remaining oil in the pan before you clean it. To get rid of stubborn pilling on your clothing, all you need is a dull razor. Just shave the pills away and use some crumpled up tape to remove the pills from the razor blades. If you prefer, you can also use a pumice stone to do this job. If your silver has lost its shine, try this quick and easy hack to bring back the sparkle. Just line a bowl with aluminum foil, add some salt and baking soda and some boiling water in there, and then drop your silver pieces into the mixture. The silver reacts with the solution, stripping away tarnish and leaving a brilliant shine. I call it garbage juice and everybody calls it disgusting. To avoid having this garbage water collecting at the bottom of your garbage bags, simply crumple up a page or two of newspaper and place it in the bottom of your garbage bags. This will help absorb all of that nasty garbage juice and help curb odors. An easy way to conquer the clutter under the sink is to use an adjustable tension rod where you can hang bottles and cloths and free up valuable real estate in your cupboard. Here's an easy cleaning tip for wood cutting boards. It involves some salt and a half a lemon, and it gets your board really, really clean. Sprinkle the salt all over your cutting board and then take half a lemon, squeeze some juice onto the board, and really get in there with that lemon and give it a good tequila-style scrub. Once you're done, give it a rinse, dry it off with a towel, and then lean your board upright to dry. Here's a classy toilet tip. Add a drop or two of essential oils to the inside of your toilet paper roll. And now each time you reach for the roll when you're taking care of business, the oils will take care of the business of making the bathroom smell a little fresher. Pool noodles are a lot of fun in the pool, but did you know that they can also act as a super cheap alternative to store-bought boot shapers. Just cut a pool noodle to size, and before you know it, you have yourself some DIY boot shapers and non-floppy boots. Are you tired of small items slipping through the grates and getting scattered all over your dishwasher? Well, here's a solution that costs less than $1. A laundry delicates bag not only works wonders in the laundry room, but can also be used to contain all of the small bits and pieces that you put in your dishwasher from ending up all over the place. This is also a great way to wash plastic toys. Blenders can be a real pain to clean unless, of course, you know the secret of making your blender clean itself. That's right, as soon as you finish using your blender, like before you drink your smoothie, fill it with 2 to 3 cups of water, a squirt of dish soap, and then plop it back onto the base to blend away that mess. Dump it out, give it a good rinse, and then just lay it flat to dry. Now, go and have that smoothie. Use the labels of your garments to help them sit properly on a hanger and not slide off when you're furiously searching through your closet for that perfect shirt. Most clothes have one of these labels and they're super easy to use. You can also crisscross your lingerie straps if you have those. Here's an easy way to reduce static cling in your laundry. A simple safety pin can be attached to any garment, I'm just using a sock here, and that's going to help attract some of the static charge during the drying process, leading to less static cling in your clothes. You can use uncooked rice to clean vases and other glassware, which would otherwise be difficult to clean using traditional methods. Add a half cup of rice, a little bit of water, and give it a really good swirl. The rice is a nice abrasive and it helps to get all of that gunk and grime out. Post-it notes are not only helpful for note-taking, but they can also help you clean out some of the gunk in your keyboard. Slide the sticky wedge in between the keys to pick up hair and other crumbs. You can also fold it and create a sharp edge that's perfect for getting into all of the cracks and crevices of your game controller or your remote control. Have you ever noticed those scratches on your plates? Those are called spider webbing, and it's caused by cutlery and other wear and tear that your dishes go through on a regular basis. It's pretty normal. But a great cleaning hack to tackle these marks is to use a paste of cream of tartar. Just sprinkle a little bit of cream of tartar on the plate, add a little bit of water to make a paste, and then just gently rub it using your finger or a cloth. This is one of those oddly satisfying cleaning jobs that happens right before your eyes. Well, if there's one thing I've learned from this trip down memory lane, I've aged over the past 10 years. Anyway, I hope you liked this style of video, and if you did, make sure to let us know in the comments or give this video a thumbs up. It'll help Chad and I know if we should make more videos just like this. The comment question for this week's video is, what is your all-time favorite cleaning hack, tip, or trick? I always love hearing what gets you guys the most excited about cleaning. Me, it's really hard to get excited about cleaning, so I'm gonna have to feed off of your energy. If you wanna see what we're up to during the rest of the week, you can follow us on Instagram. I'm at Melissa Maker. Chad is at the Chad Reynolds. The two of us are at Clean My Space. And if you like our channel and you wanna support what we do, it's so easy. You can just watch another video right after this one. The algorithm loves that, and we love that. So here are a couple that we think you're gonna love. If you wanna learn more about Maker's Clean Microfiber Cloths, you can click this button right over here. There is a button down there that lets me know you care. So click it if you liked this video, and click this button right here to subscribe and begin your journey to a cleaner life. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.